Special request from Ryan from the University of Cincinnati football team. We're making my version of chili. Not my family's version, my version. It's gonna be hot. So I tried to get some University of Cincinnati Bearcat gear, but every place I looked was sold out. Unlike Bama, you can get that anywhere. Here they have a huge overstock.
Try a rum and chill for Cincy gear.
All right, we're making hot chili. Start. Habanero and a jalapeno. Slice them up. Start with some bacon grease. Here's the meat we're gonna use. You guys are lean and mean. We're going with some steak to start. Whoops. Pound of ground beef. And to be healthy, some ground turkey. Now, while this is cooking, we are going to cook these hot peppers down. Dice up 1 onion, 1 green pepper. Add the pepper and onions while it's cooking. Add some salt and pepper. Add the chili seasoning. I got about a half a cup of chili powder with some cumin. And add a can of diced tomatoes. Can of tomato paste. You all know my kids don't like beans. I do, so we're gonna add it. Ryan, special ingredient that's gonna help you beat Bama, right here. Almost forgot. Add some chopped garlic. We're gonna let this simmer for a couple hours. Guys, I gotta explain something. Kara's a great friend. She's a freshman at Alabama. Her and I did a video over the summer, and she's been stalking me all week, waiting for me to do this video. Are you kidding me?
Tastes like Bearcat.
Guys, a bit of advice. Do not eat this the night before the game. Make it your victory meal.
Go
Bearcats!
Are you kidding me?